Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all having a very good morning and you are all very much ready to learn. So, today we are going to go through our history chapter, historiography, development in the West. Yeah, I hope all of you remember what we learned in the previous lectures. I'm just going to do a quick revision of it. We went through historical research method. What are the different methods that we take for while doing a historical research method? After this, we discuss about various disciplines useful in historical research. क्या क्या disciplines है? Archaeology, archival science, study of coin, study of lineage. ये सब हिस्ट्री लर्निंग के हिस्ट्री रिसर्च में आता है. इसके बाद we learned about ancient versus modern historiography. How many of you remember what is the difference between them? Yeah, ancient historiography was related, everything was related to God, and here everything is related to science. And we learned what are the characteristics of modern historiography. That is, one is based on scientific principles, it gives a connection between humankind's journey with the help of past human actions, and it is about the actions of the people of a particular period, and the history has no connection with God. And we went through a few important facts. Now let's go to what are we going to discuss today. This is what we are going to discuss today. Historians of the world. What we are going to do is we are going to go through some of the famous historians that revolutionized how we write history. Okay, हिस्ट्री के हिस्ट्री कैसे लिखना है वो तरीका ही चेंज किया लोग के बारे में is what we are going to learn today. So the first person, we are going to just learn one person today, and that person here is, hello, my name is Rene Descartes. So what I'm going to do is today's presentation will be in the waiver. This person, Rene Descartes, is talking to all of you. Okay, so right now I am not the one who's teaching, it is Rene Descartes who's teaching you. Hello, my name is Rene Descartes. I am one of the earliest historians in modern historiography. That is, I am someone who started the idea of modern historiography. What is modern historiography? Everything that is related to history, that is related to science. Yes, yes. So let's move forward. Here I am again. Here I am coming again. Interested to know more about me? I'll teach you better than your history teacher. Now, I don't think that's true because right now your history teacher and Rene Descartes दोनों एक ही आदमी है, लेकिन let Rene Descartes have fun. Yeah. Wow. Rene Descartes went for a turn now. Before me, people used to write history more from imagination rather than from the facts. I was very strict though. I always made sure that historical documents are verified and analyzed critically. तो मेरे पहले सब लोग उसके इमेजिनेशन से लिखता था, लेकिन मैं बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है एंड मैं हमेशा आई मेक श्योर दैट जो भी हिस्टोरिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स है वो वेरीफाई करके वो ठीक से एनालाइज करता है. द हिस्ट्री शुड मेक सेंस टू what we humans can understand. History should make sense to what we humans can understand. हमें जो सोच के वो जो ठीक लगता है, that is history. The whole method of saying everything is God's work is just easy work by lazy people. जो लोग बोलते हैं सब भगवान का काम है, that is just easy work by lazy people. People who do not want to think, people who do not want to put their brain into that. वो लोग बोलते हैं कि ये सब भगवान का काम है. So I started writing a book with my rules. I'm going to repeat one more time. I started writing a book with my rules for how to write history scientifically. What did I start? I started writing a book with rules on how to write history scientifically. Want to know the name of my book? This is my book. I'm sure you're all able to learn this. I mean, read that. Did you get the name of the book then? Oh, too bad. You don't read French, huh? It's okay. Learn French and read the title. Just kidding. The name of my book is Discourse on Method. What is the name of my book? Discourse on Method. This is that book. It was written in French, but सिन आप लोगों को फ्रेंच नहीं आता है तो मैं उसका नाम इंग्लिश में बोलेगा. इट इज कॉल्ड डिस्कोर्स ऑन मेथड्स. या आई हैड अ वेरी कूल हेयर स्टाइल. अलग अलग पिक्चर्स में मुझे अलग अलग हेयर स्टाइल होते हैं. आई वॉज वेरी फैशनेबल बैक देन. बिफोर सेइंग गुड बाय, there is one lesson I need to teach you about scientific historiography. This is one lesson that I want to make sure that you understand about scientific historiography. What is that lesson? Never to accept anything for till all grounds of doubt are excluded. I'm going to repeat that dialogue one more time. Never to accept all grounds of doubt are excluded. Are excluded. उसका मतलब क्या है? What do you think is the meaning of that? Never to accept anything for true. I will not believe that anything is true until all my doubts are cleared. अगर एक डाउट मुझे बचते है तो आई विल नॉट बिलीव इट. मुझे बिलीव करने के लिए सारे सारे के सारे डाउट्स क्लियर होना चाहिए. दैट्स द ओनली वे टू accept that something is true. If there is one doubt that is remaining, I will not accept as true. I will only accept something as true. सही होने के लिए all grounds of doubts are excluded. जो भी doubts है वो सब हटाना चाहिए. I need to solve all the doubts. That's the only way I will believe that something is true. Okay. So before saying goodbye, here is a homework for all of you. Next slide has my favorite quote. Everyone write minimum 100 words on what you think is the meaning of this quote. So what I'm going to give you is a quote that is a famous quote that everyone knows from me. जो मैंने बनाया था वो quote. I want all of you to just think on that quote. I'm going to show the quote now. The quote is, I think, therefore I am. I'm going to repeat that quote one more time. I think, therefore I am. And your homework is, think about the meaning of above statement and write a short note on the same. Let's see how many philosophers do we have in the class. So this is like a very famous dialogue. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to think on this dialogue, think on this quote, and I want you to write. I want all of you to write a short note on this. What do you think that this dialogue means? Please do not search your Googles for this. I want you to just think about it yourself and write. Okay. Let's see how many of you are good philosophers here in this class. So by this, I'm going to end today's lecture. Right now, this is not Rene Descartes speaking. This is Albert Bonney, your history teacher, talking. I hope you understood something about Rene Descartes. He was someone who started the scientific historiography. His idea was to make sure he goes through verify historical documents, and he will only believe that something is true once all doubt is cleared. If you know that much, you understand everything about Rene Descartes. And as homework, I want you to go through this. I want you to think about this quote and उसके ऊपर एक short note लिखना है. Okay. See you guys. Take care, and I'll come back with another lecture. on the next day. Bye bye.